Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. So today and tomorrow, the 21st and the 22nd of March, Madam Glam have got a 2-day shopping spree and you're going to be able to save yourself a whopping 50% off without having to become a VIP member. So to save yourself the 50% off, click the link in my description box below. I'll also pin it in the comments as well, guys. So click the link, that'll take you on over to the Madam Glam website. Then at the checkout, enter GG50MAR, all capitals, all one word, and that way you'll save yourself 50% off your order. And there's a minimum of 3 items on that. And like I said, that is today and tomorrow, the 21st and the 22nd of March 2022. So to celebrate this 2-day shopping spree, Madam Glam have challenged us to create something with empty Madam Glam gel polish bottles. Now, I haven't got any empty gel polish bottles, so we're gonna have to use our imagination a little bit for this one, guys, because I really didn't fancy tipping any away, and I haven't even got any other empty gel polish bottles that I could tip them into, so we're going to pretend that these are empty, okay guys? Now, I didn't want to create something that was pretty that's just going to end up going in the bin. I wanted to show you how to create something that's going to be useful, something that's going to be practical, you know, also still pretty but practical. So I decided I'm going to make a little shelving unit. So to make this, you're going to need 6 gel polish bottles. Well, you can make it even higher if you want, but to make this one, you're going to want 6 empty gel polish bottles. So I've pulled out 6 bottles, empty bottles, and you're also going to need 3 discs. They could be DVDs, they could be CDs. You're going to need some glue. You're going to need some bling. I think that is pretty much everything you're going to need. Now, the bottles, guys, need to be all the same height. I need to just say that as well. You really could do with all the gel polish bottles being the same, but the same height is a definite. So, to start with, I am going to take these little caps off the lids, like that. Now, if you was going to make this to keep, which I'm not obviously because I need to use the gel polishes, you would need to glue these down like this. So it's got its little feet, yeah? I'm going to use these little glue dots just to glue mine down with, so I can take it apart again once I'm finished. So I want one there, I want one there, and one there. Now you want to get these kind of equal, or else it's going to be lopsided. So rip them off. Stick them down like that. So we have our little base. Now I'm going to use the gel polish bottles and I'm going to stick them in the exact same places as where the feet are, and that'll just make it sturdy. Hoping you can see what I'm doing. So they need to also be glued down, which obviously I'm not going to do because I need to take mine back apart again. So
can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down.
So you would be gluing yours down, obviously. But because I need to take mine apart once I'm finished, I'm going to just sticky glue dot mine. Like that. And again, put some glue on the lids. Like that. You could use super glue, Gorilla Glue. You could use a hot glue gun. Hot glue gun's probably going to be your best bet. And then you want to stick that one down on top like that. Like that. Hey, look at our little shelf. Look at that. It's looking cool.
Can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found for you and I.
So there we are. That is the shelves built. Oh, you can't really see them. Right. Can you see that? That's probably the best way to show you. Got your feet. So now we're going to decorate it. For those of you that's new to Madam Glam gels, I just want to let you guys know that Madam Glam gel polishes are all vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, palm oil free and henna free, so they're perfect for pretty much anyone to use. So there we are, guys. That is all done. What do you think? So there's so much more you could do, really. Like, you know, you could decorate the bottles. Well, I didn't really want to do that because obviously I'm going to be reusing the bottles. So, but yeah, you could do so much more decoration wise. But I just thought, put these crystals on the edges and then it's going to stop things from falling off as well. So it's going to be used as kind of a barrier. So you can use it for things like your crystals, charms, you've got shell pieces, pearls, got like little flower pieces, we've got more shells, more little plastic flowers, more charms, we've got little plastic teddy bears, we've got more charms. But not only is it useful as a shelving unit, another thing that I keep meaning to buy and still haven't got around to buying, and it's something that I use in nearly every single video, is a brush holder. So you can also use this to pop your brushes in as well, like that. Yeah. I've got like my clean-up brush that can go in there. My little stick what I use to apply my rhinestones with, that can go in there. So yeah, it's not only a little shelf, but it's also a practical brush holder. What do you think, guys? I think it's really cool and pretty. I just wanted to make something that's practical, you know. It's not something that's just going to end up in the bin after the video. But obviously mine's not going to be nowhere near as sturdy as someone that's glued theirs. Mine's all put together with glue dots, as you well know. But for those of you that do want to recreate this and you have got empty gel polish bottles and you glue yours is going to be so sturdy, because even though mine is put together with glue dots, it is actually pretty sturdy. It feels really sturdy. Look at that. I know you can't see it very well, which is a bit of a bummer. What I'll do is, guys, in a minute I shall get some pictures of it from the side so you can see it properly, and I'll pop them at the end of this video so you can take a look at it properly. Like I said at the beginning of the video, Madam Glam has got a 2-day shopping spree going on today and tomorrow, which is the 21st and the 22nd of March 2022. Where you can save yourself 50% off without having to become a VIP member. So to save yourself 50%, click my Madam Glam website link in my description box. I'll also pin it in the comments as well. And that will take you to the Madam Glam website. Then at checkout, enter GG50MAR, all caps, all one word. And that will take 50% off your order. I think that's everything for this video, guys. If there's anything that I've missed, I shall pop that in my description box. If there's anything that you want to ask, just hit me up in the comments. And yeah, I think that's everything for today's video. Slightly different one to what you usually used to see me do. But I really enjoyed doing it. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.